What's going on, y'all, man? It's LA Rich and we back with another video, man. And look, today we got the WRC rally back on this channel, man, with the video being Best of WRC Rally Sweden 2023 Crashes, Action, and Pure Sound. Now look, we all know, and especially me after watching these couple of videos, y'all know more than me, but I'm starting to pick up now. These damn rallies are crazy as hell. Crazy. It's undescribable how much things be going on in this, and I really have to give a shout out to all the people that race and everything for this, because this can't be easy, man. You know, it's so much that goes on, and you really I can't name a person that'll do this, man. I really can't sit here and name somebody that I know that'll be able to want to do this or be brave enough to do this, man, because I couldn't put myself in those situations where I'm just losing control of a car and have to regather myself on a random mountain, blizzard outside. You feel me? In the going through, you feel, ponds and crazy shit. Like, I couldn't do it, bro. I really couldn't, man. You feel me? I'm gonna stick to driving regular, but I'm ready to get into this video, man, nonetheless. And before I do, what I want to say is thank y'all so much for all the love and support I've been receiving. We have officially hit 9.1 thousand subscribers and road to 9.2 now. I thank y'all so much for all the love and support y'all show me every single day. It truly means the most to me. Nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what videos to react to, man, whether it's rally videos or anything else, and I got y'all with it. But hey, enough of the talking. Let's do it. It looks so claustrophobic, and like, look at this. Then you cold? I ain't gonna lie, it looks so beautiful at night, though. You know, they barely show the clips at night, but seeing this one, it looked really nice at night, man.
Flat one right over crest, and one left and sour right final short, six over crest, and slowing 90, one right over crest, 28.5 left plus, short.
Man, he is flying. Damn. Hey, I think I seen the Hyundai one. The Hyundai car had one in the last couple ones I had seen. Does Hyundai really build the best car when it comes to this? Y'all let me know in the comments, or is it just maybe the driver the better one or something like that? How are they able to see? Ooh. Okay, Toyota. Like, look how small this damn, oh my goodness. Got the Ford.
Of a jump.
Man, they vision is amazing, bro. He going the wrong way? Oh, he just did a U-turn.
right long, brake tight, 4.
Damn. No, at night it gotta be terrifying, bro. Look at this, man. You can't see nothing over here. It look like straight complete darkness. And if one of these lights maybe go out, say you hit a tree or something, but keep going, what do? You just stop right there? You feel me? Well, y'all let me know.
Tight, 6 right long, brake tight, 4.
Damn, he flying, bro. That's good driving. Oh, that's a straightaway. Damn, never mind. See, that's what I'm saying. I wouldn't know what to do. Whoa, I ain't even gonna go back. Man, these cars really have some of the best traction I have ever seen, bro. Now, I know I asked if somebody ever passed away from driving, you know, being one of the drivers or the passengers. But has somebody that's standing on the side, one of the spectators, have they ever passed away from being hit? Y'all let me know that in the comments, bro, because that got to be tragic. But it seems so easy to happen. That's a beautiful view. The fact that they be going that fast in the snow is wild.
Right sharp narrow, and quick 7 left, open long over exit, deep end, sudden 8 right sharp, 20, slow 9 right sharp over bump crest, 8 left jump, 30.
Look at this driving, bro.
And slow 7 right tight, 5
Look at how good he doing.
Left, very long, left.
Bro, look, see, that's what I'm saying right there. All that to me, even from watching from a screen, and the camera that they probably had on top of the car, all of that straight looked to me like the same thing. From the boundaries, the little barriers of snow that they had on the side, and the drive way, whatever you want to call it, the track, if you want to say it like that. It all looked the same to me. I'm telling you, I would have drove straight into that damn snow pile like it was nothing, thinking that it was the track. Like, look at this. This all looked the same to me, bro. You feel me? From even watching from a damn computer.
Slow 7 right tight, 5 sharp over crest, sudden 6 left, very long, left.
Then the trees. You know a question I got? Are they able to do they do practice on the track, or what? Yeah, I think you call it the track. Do they have practices on the track before the actual day of the actual the race? Y'all let me know in the comments, bro, because if this is their first time ever being on the track and they doing this good, that's insane, man. Real talk. Man, that is scary, bro. Okay, I'm gonna ask this question now. Look, we gonna rewatch it again. Seeing this, you feel me? Look at this. I mean, you barely can see anything. You know, you see the little barriers, but it's all straight off from your light. Now, let's say one of your lights fall off in this race. How much money? I'm gonna ask y'all just this overall. How much money are y'all taking to do this? To be in a rally racing? Let me know how much money they gonna need to offer you to be able to be in a rally race, bro. Because I would say for me, how much money they gonna need to offer me to do this? Probably a cool, damn man. I say a cool, damn, 15 million, bro. 15 million. 15 million. I will take my ass out there and do a full rally race. Y'all let me know. Some of y'all probably enjoy this shit, so y'all do it for free. But for me, I'm gonna say 10 million, bro. Oh, they the winners, huh? I know it gotta feel good winning, bro. Hey, how long are these races? Like, how long do they usually be? Good job to the winners, man. Yeah, pop the champagne, pop the bottles, yeah. Hey, congrats on the win, man. Real talk. But hey, thank y'all again for the love and support y'all show me every single day. We just hit 9.1 thousand road to 9.2 now. I appreciate every last one of y'all for the love and support, bro. I wouldn't be here without y'all in this position on YouTube without y'all or nothing, man. So thank y'all again, man. But that's going to close out the video. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do some more videos like this, and I got y'all with it. But hey, it's LA Rich, and I'm getting up out of here. All right, y'all.
I just got the race, I boost it up that I'm not real. Shooter ready, go there, ready, blaze, they hit up everyone. Every time I didn't give a shit, I still ain't number one. In my pockets filled with money, bitch, like fucking.